Rise and shine. Let's open our minds. Hello, boys and girls, first graders. Welcome to the first lesson of our science. Are you ready and excited? Yes, I know you are. Please get your science book, be a scientist notebook, and let's get ready to start our invention. Please open your book, page 104. 104. The title says Plants and Animals. You should have it like that. Plants and Animals, page 104. All right. You know what the scientists do? Scientists do lots of fun experiments. They come up with a solution for problem. They observe things. They take notes. They work hard. But they help us. So let's have fun and do our part in our curriculum today. All right. Today we'll be talking and learning about plants and animals. We'll be learning about what's the difference between plants, animals. We're going to start with living or non-living. Let's see this picture. What do you see here? I see an airplane and I see a bird. All right, let's go to our book and read the question. Plants and animals. Look at the photo of the airplane. Humans use airplanes to travel. Of course, if I want to go somewhere and it's far, I cannot use my car or a bus, I can take the airplanes. And it's fun, it's fast, and I can go to too many different places. Airplanes can fly. Animal and plant parts can be a model for machines that humans use. All right, what does that mean? If I look at the picture here, the airplane can fly and it get wings, and the birds fly and have wings. So scientists, they want to fly. They want to learn and teach people how to, or help people actually to go to different places. And they know that long distance, if you're taking train or a car or bus, it might not be useful and helpful to go to long distance. So when they observe, as I was telling you, they sit, they look and they observe. They were looking at the birds and they noticed that birds can fly and birds get wings. So they put all the knowledge and information, they work together and they invented something by looking at the birds to help us to move and travel from place to place. So over here, if you look at the previous picture, what question can you come in your mind? Because we need to write one question here. What questions do you have about the airplane? So you can put one question or two. Let's start with one question. What do you have in mind? Again, look at the picture. Did you notice the similarity? Airplane get wings and tail, birds get wings and tail. All right. So human problems, our problems to travel long distance, countries far, far away that I cannot take a train or a car or a bus, being solved by scientists and people who invented the airplane. So what kind of question would you have in mind over here? For example, how do airplanes fly? I don't know. In this page and this lesson, we don't need answer. We just need a question, and then by the end of the lesson, we're gonna have answers for all our questions. So we can put, for example, how do airplanes fly? Or what keeps them in the air? Right? So these my couple of questions I come up with. Do you have anything? So Try to find, look for question and put. Again, how do airplanes fly? Or what keeps them in the air? The question should be related to the airplane. All right? I'll read one more time the paragraph and you're gonna write your question. Look at the photo of the airplane, the one we just see. Humans use airplanes to travel. Airplanes can fly. Animal and plant parts can be a model for machines that humans use. So, scientists looked at the birds and they use it as a model and try to invent a machine that it could help them fly and move to different places, same like the birds. We need to ask a question here. All right. Key vocabulary. Look and listen for these words as you learn about plants and animals. So these are the words we're gonna cover in this unit or this chapter. Don't worry about them, we're gonna learn when it comes to the lesson. So these what we're gonna cover for the whole unit. Let's read them together. Flower, living, nutrient, shelter, fruit, mammal, root, stem, leaves, non-living, seed, survive. So don't worry about, looks like 12 words, Miss Sahar. These are new, these are a lot. Don't worry, we're gonna take our time and we're gonna cover them and we're gonna learn the meaning when we discover them and see them in your lesson. All right. Let's go to page 105. 105. 105. Very good. All right. I think I have a nice video for you here, boys and girls. Let's see.
Hi, I'm Emily. Do you ever wonder how things like airplanes, bugs, and birds fly? Well, I do. Someday I hope to be an aerospace engineer. Aerospace engineers design, build, and test things like airplanes, helicopters, rockets, and spacecraft. My dream? To work with other engineers to build a spacecraft that takes the first person to Mars. Maybe someday you'll be on my team. See you soon.
All right. So Emily wants to be an aerospace engineer. So aerospace engineer is a person who designs airplanes and spaceships. Show how you think, look at the plants and animals influence the design of airplanes. Draw an example below. So over here in this box, you need to draw something that you think give influence, give an idea from nature to design the airplane. Okay? Does this help you? Yes, I know it does. Awesome. All right, let's see that slideshow.
Learn more about living and non-living things. You are a living thing. Living things need food, water, and air to live. Animals are living things too. Living things grow and change. Plants are living things. They make new living things like themselves. A car is a non-living thing. It does not grow and change. A rock is also a non-living thing. It does not need food, water, or air to live. Water is a non-living thing. It cannot make more of itself. What living and non-living things do you see?
All right. That's it for today, boys and girls. And I'll let you have fun and finish your activity on page 105. And just you can read again the words. All right. Thank you.